Today's video is a continuation of our last one on how to get thicker hair. If you missed it, don't worry. I've linked it in the description below and in the end screen, so you can check it out later. But in today's video, we're diving deeper into the topic. I'll be sharing more tips on how to achieve that thick and voluminous hair you've always wanted. Plus, I've got some great product recommendations that can really help you on your journey. As always, all the product links will be in the description below. First things first, let's talk about scalp care. Just like your skin, your scalp can be oily, dry, or normal. To determine your scalp type, pay attention to how quickly your hair gets greasy. Oily scalps may need washing every 1 to 2 days, normal scalps every 3 days, and dry scalps can often go about a week without washing. Once you know your scalp type, you can tailor your care routine accordingly. One of the best ways to start is by brushing your hair before you shower. This helps to loosen any buildup of dirt, oil, or styling products, making it easier to rinse away during washing. After removing scalp debris, it's essential to use a good hair serum to nourish your hair and promote growth. This step is crucial because it helps maintain a healthy scalp environment and supports overall hair health. One product I highly recommend is the Maxoxidil Regrowth Serum from HairGuard. This serum boosts blood flow to the hair follicles, delivering vital oxygen and nutrients needed for healthy hair growth. It's particularly effective for anyone looking to achieve thicker, denser hair. Quit smoking. Another important tip for achieving thicker, healthier hair is to quit smoking. Smoking can have a detrimental effect on your hair, as it restricts blood flow and reduces the oxygen and nutrients available to your hair follicles. This can lead to hair thinning and even hair loss over time. A study published in the Archives of Dermatology found that smokers are more likely to experience hair loss compared to non-smokers. So, if you're serious about improving your hair's health and thickness, quitting smoking is a crucial step. Another factor that contributes to hair thinning in approximately 80% of men is the use of terrible hair care products. If you're using products without the right ingredients, like hydrolyzed wheat protein, amino acids, vitamin E, and biotin, and instead contain unnecessary chemicals such as sulfates and synthetic dyes, you're likely accelerating your hair loss. So, my tip for you is to always use high-quality products that include the right ingredients. Another important tip is to avoid dyeing your hair too often. Hair dyes, especially the ones with harsh chemicals, can weaken your hair strands and damage your scalp, which can lead to more breakage and thinning. Over time, using dyes repeatedly can strip your hair of its natural oils and moisture, making it brittle and more likely to fall out. If you want to color your hair, try to opt for gentler, natural options and make sure to give your hair plenty of time to recover between treatments. And last tip for promoting hair growth and overall hair health is using a hair massager. Massaging your scalp can boost blood circulation, which is crucial for delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicles. This increased blood flow can strengthen your hair and even help reduce hair loss. One product I highly recommend for this purpose is the Grow Band from HairGuard. The Grow Band is specifically designed to enhance blood flow to the scalp, which is vital for supporting the hair growth cycle. A study from the University of Copenhagen found that men suffering from hair loss had 62% less blood flow to their scalps compared to those without hair loss. By using the Grow Band, you can naturally increase blood flow to your scalp, ensuring your hair follicles receive the nutrients they need. You can find more details and a link to purchase the Grow Band in the description below. If you join the waitlist, you can get a $100 discount. Check out the first part of this series if you haven't already. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.